A step-by-step guide on how you can send money with Moneygram online. First, you will need to log in or create an account. You want to go to the Moneygram website or app and sign in or create a new account if you don't have one. You will then choose Send Money. You want to click on the Send Money option from the main menu or home screen. Enter the recipient's details. You want to fill out the recipient's name, country, and how they received the money. Cash pickup, bank deposit, or mobile wallet where it's available. It won't be available in all countries. You want to enter the amount to send. Type in the amount you want to send. You'll see transfer fees as well as an exchange rate. Choose the payment method. Select how you want to pay. You can use a debit or credit card. You can use your bank account and also possibly Apple Pay or Google Pay depending on your region. Review and confirm details, double check everything, recipient info, amount, fees, and payment method. And after you've confirmed all the information, you will hit send. Get confirmation and reference number. You'll receive a receipt and a reference number, MTCN. You want to share it with your recipient if they're picking up cash. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.